How to get Oyster Card on phone. At first, check if your phone supports contactless payment methods like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Depending on the services available, you may need to download the TFL Oyster app from your App Store. Open the TFL Oyster app or use the mobile wallet app. Follow the instructions to add your Oyster card to mobile wallet. This typically involves scanning or manually entering the Oyster card details. Once your Oyster card details are added to your mobile wallet, you may need to verify your identity. Follow the prompts on your device to complete these steps. When using public transportation, simply tap your phone on the card reader at the station's entry and exit gates. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.